I've been working on the interior on this thing for this past week. Took the bench seats out, got my fake wood walls, and now I have this ottoman right here. That's gonna replace the bench seat. 5.6 kilos, a lot lighter than the bench seat that came out ottoman. I've had this van for a little over 4 years now, and I still can't get over how much space I have now. Should have removed that bench seat a long time ago. And gotta get a quick look outside the van. Here's the ottoman. So I'm gonna use the existing mounting points from the old seat brackets and use this existing bolt right here to bolt it in. This is where I'm gonna drill, and check it out, running it right off of my van solar. There you go, lines up. This ottoman comes in 3 pieces: the cover, the main part right here, and the floor. This comes out. That's how this was able to collapse in a small box, but nothing to assemble. So of course I drilled the floor. There's the existing bolts from the old seat brackets. So drilled the floor, drilled this main piece. I used the cardboard as a template to know where to drill, and that's it. That's the ottoman. No assembly required. Here's the ottoman in place. This is a trailer wiring that I have to clean up. I have a video about this on my channel. I have 12 years worth of van content from my previous van build and this van build, so clean that up. These are bolt holes. I gotta plug these up next, and I'm gonna put a nicer cover like a carpet. So let's go ahead and look inside. Big gap here, lots of open space here. That's my power station charging up. Solar plug right here. The inside. I left a gap between the ottoman and the door, so I have room for camping supplies. So this is out of the way from the foot space. Doors closed. Still plenty of space to put more stuff back here. Plenty of foot space still right here. Here's the ottoman. It's 15 inches tall, 15 inches wide, and 30 inches long. So perfect length. It keeps the foot space here clear, so I could get out of the van through the back door right here. And then you could sit on this. You could use this as a seat. And here's the space behind my bench seat now. Tons of space now. So yeah, I just gotta put some nice carpet here. I'm thinking about putting some shoe holders, you know, the hanging ones with the little pockets. Maybe on this side's better, since I'm gonna use this door to get out. Vans are the best. You got a TV, retro gaming. I have a heater, space cooler, fridge, freezer combo. I have a sofa that turns into a bed. One more look at the van. So that's what an ottoman in a van looks like, if you're thinking about it. And I'll put some random van content here, 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 and here. 12 years worth of van content.